I'm super excited to share with you my experience with the Vitamix Propel Series 510 blender. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer in my kitchen. As someone who's always on the go, I need appliances that can keep up with my busy lifestyle, and this blender definitely does. Whether I'm making smoothies, soups, or frozen desserts, this machine can handle it all with ease. I've tried other blenders in the past, but this one takes the cake. Or should I say, it takes the smoothie? So what is the Vitamix Propel Series 510 blender all about? It's a high-performance blender designed for health-conscious individuals and busy families like mine. The idea is to make healthy eating and cooking a breeze, and this blender delivers. With its sleek design and compact size, it's perfect for kitchens of all shapes and sizes. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just throw in your ingredients, select the right program, and let the machine do the rest. Now let's talk about the specs. This blender has a 2 HP motor, which is seriously powerful. I mean, it can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. The container is 48 ounces, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe. A must-have for anyone who wants to make cleanup a breeze. The blades are laser-cut, stainless steel, and are designed to break down even the toughest ingredients. The blender comes with 3 automatic blending programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, as well as 10 variable speed settings and a pulse function. And, as if that's not enough, it also comes with a self-cleaning feature that can clean the entire machine in just 30 to 60 seconds. No disassembly needed. In the real world, I've been using this blender to make everything from green smoothies to creamy soups. The results have been amazing, smooth, creamy, and absolutely delicious. I've also been loving the fact that it's so easy to clean. Just add some soap, water, and vinegar, and let the machine do the rest. Overall, I'm giving the Vitamix Propel Series 510 blender a solid 9 out of 10. It's a high-performance machine that's designed to make healthy eating and cooking a breeze. Of course, there's no such thing as a perfect product, but this blender comes close. If you're in the market for a new blender, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen tips. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite blender brand or product? Let me know, and I'll do my best to share some tips and tricks with you.